fix messenger sent failed when you are temporarily restricted. So if you are restricted temporarily on your messenger from sending any message for some time, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So sometimes when you tap over the chat section or the send message option at the button box and you try to send the message, but there will be a pop-up that you are temporarily restricted, so you cannot perform this action. So this option appears when you send the videos, message or chat that violates the community guidelines of Messenger. So if you continuously send those type of medias or files to the person, then Messenger will notice that and you will be temporarily restricted for some time. That can be for 24 hours or few days or something like that. So right now there are no any option for fixing this, but you can wait for a few hours. Since it's a temporary action, you cannot report a problem to the Messenger, but the best way is you can wait for certain hours and after that Messenger will automatically get rid out of it. So you just have to wait. The total time you have to wait will be displayed on the screen and you just can wait for a while, and after the completion of that time you'll be able to fix this problem, and from the next time you can stop sending the violating videos and files to the person so that you won't be restricted temporarily. So that's it, and I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.